Potatoes. They're a staple in so many kitchens worldwide and, for most of us, a go-to comfort food. But did you know that beyond being delicious, potatoes pack some serious health benefits? In today's video, we're diving into why potatoes deserve a top spot on your plate and how they can benefit your health in ways you may not expect. First up, let's talk nutrients. Potatoes are more than just carbs. A medium-sized potato provides a great mix of essential vitamins and minerals. One potato can supply almost half of your daily vitamin C, which is key for boosting immunity and skin health. They're also loaded with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. In fact, potatoes have even more potassium than bananas. Plus, they're a good source of vitamin B6, crucial for brain function, and fiber, which aids in digestion and can help keep you feeling full longer. Now, who would have thought that potatoes are heart-friendly? With their potassium content, potatoes help maintain normal blood pressure levels, which is essential for heart health. The fiber in potatoes also supports healthy cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Now, you might be thinking, aren't potatoes bad for blood sugar? Well, it depends on how you prepare them. Boiling or steaming potatoes, rather than frying, keeps the glycemic index lower, which means they won't spike blood sugar as quickly. Plus, potatoes contain a type of starch called resistant starch. This unique starch actually acts more like fiber, helping to improve insulin sensitivity and slow down digestion, keeping your blood sugar levels more stable. And here's a quick tip: leave the skin on. Potato skins are rich in fiber, iron, and other nutrients, so keeping the skin can maximize the health benefits you get from your meal. Just be sure to scrub them clean first. Looking to manage your weight? Potatoes can help with that too. The fiber and resistant starches in potatoes are great for keeping you full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack later on. Studies have shown that eating potatoes can actually be more satisfying than other starchy foods, helping you control portions naturally. So there you have it. Potatoes are a nutrient-packed, heart-healthy, blood sugar-friendly food that can fit beautifully into a balanced diet. Just remember, preparation is key. Baked, boiled, or steamed are your best bets for keeping things healthy. So the next time you reach for a potato, remember that it's not just tasty, it's nourishing too. Try different recipes, experiment with seasonings, and enjoy potatoes guilt-free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and wellness. Thanks for